In this video, I'm going to show you how to use projects in ChatGPT. This is a major update that has just been released, and people who use projects actually find it very, very interesting to use ChatGPT to organize their thoughts, to be able to use the memory effectively. And this is projects over here. You can click on, you'll be able to create new ones. You can see the one that I've created and I've been enjoying using it. So you can click to create a new project. You can create project around investing, homework, writing, health, and travel. This is the area where you can write the name of the project that you are working on. Alternatively, you can always come to the setting over here and you can use the default project setting, which allows you to access memories from outside of the chat that you have and vice versa. Okay, so you can bring in information outside of the content that you have uploaded within ChatGPT. And when you use this project only, it can give you access to only knowledge based, which is the content that you have uploaded only. Anything outside of the content or the journal papers that you've uploaded, it is not going to give you information about that. So for this, let's try the default and let's go on and call this communication, for example, communication folder or communication project. I can just go ahead and say create the project. And this is going to create my project under communication. So I can have many different files. I can click to add different files that I wanted to work on. For example, I can just load anything, any document that I have, I can just go ahead and upload it. For example, let's say I have this and let me select one of my documents. So this is a seminar paper by someone. I can just upload it. Okay, so you can add as many documents as you want. I've added this one, so I can close and you can see the file that I've added, only one file. So I can ask questions related to that, or I can click to add more files if I'm interested in adding more files. So I'm going to ask the question, can you summarize the major findings from this paper? For example, I can just go ahead. You can enter, you could find information from the paper and from outside the paper, right? So that's the wonders of using the first option, which is the default option. Okay, so these are summary of the major findings. So this is the title of the paper, Optimal Binder Filler Interaction in CKD Modified Botmix H4. So you can see these are the major findings from the paper. Okay, you can see it is still writing. These are some of the key things that it has picked from the paper. So you can add in and work on different kind of documents, sources that you can work with. You can chat within those content that you've added. Okay, so overall, this is the content. And one good thing about this is that you can go ahead and ask follow-up questions on that particular folder, and you can see everything that you are working on that particular project. Communication. Okay, you can go ahead and share this if you're interested as well, and so you can invite people to actually work on this same project. They can chat, they can do other things as well. You copy this link, you can just go ahead, link copy, and you can share with anyone to view this content that you have as well correctly. So this is the wonders, and you can invite people. You can move this to a given project, or you can remove from a particular project, and then you can delete the entire project also if you're interested. So this basically concludes this simple tutorial about the latest update on ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.